I'm Joost from Kids Toy Studio and I'm here today with the Melissa and Doug Paw Patrol craft set. So the brushes are quite cheap, but that's okay. You only need to use these like a couple of times, and there are 3, so you can use a few different colors and then put them in water to rinse them out. But the statues are actually quite dirty. You can hear that. They're hard. And I sort of expected like a cheap plastic here for the price, but it's actually quite good. And you can see my son already has added a few stickers here to the patterns. Of course, it's better to paint the dogs first and then put the stickers on, but my son couldn't wait, so he already put those stickers on. And there are quite a few stickers here in each set. And of course, he already knew which sticker goes with which dog. So that's quite nice. So my son really loved painting this. He spent around, I think, 40 minutes on one of the statues, looking through all the different colors that he wanted to use, and even looked at the pictures to make the eyebrows the same and a bit of the color the same. And he was so proud that he finally finished it, that he wanted to put this in his room on display, of course. He really did have a fun time painting this. And he is 5 years old, so he's a little bit younger than the 6 years old that's on the packet, but that doesn't stop them from having a lot of fun with it.